Mother's Day weekend, and there's someone very special I'd like to invite out here. Mrs. Smith, could you please come join us? Boys and girls, give Mrs. Smith a hand. Happy Mother's Day. Okay, boys and girls, this is going to be a Mother's Day of firsts for Mrs. Smith. I'm going to get a little bit personal, so I need everyone to listen really carefully. This is your first Mother's Day without your mother. And your daughter is not here either. She is serving our nation in Guantanamo Bay in the Navy. Thank you. And she's not getting here until next week. But we have a special surprise. Mrs. Watts, is our satellite uplink ready for our special message?
Yes, Mr. Mead, I do believe it is.
So we're live to Guantanamo Bay.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, Mickey, are you there?
I'm here, I can hear you.
Is this your daughter? Would you like to talk to her?
Yes.
Hi, Mom.
Michaela, where are you?
I'm at the MWR in Guantanamo Bay. So where I FaceTime you from, I have the Wi-Fi.
And I understand that you have something you've written that you'd like to share with our students about the most special person in your life, your mom, correct?
I did write something.
Okay, all right, let's hear it.
So I just wanted to wish you a very happy and warm, hopefully warm Mother's Day. And thank you for all that you've done, not only through this deployment, but throughout my entire life. You've been my rock, and I just simply cannot say that enough. With each passing day, I find myself gaining more and more appreciation for you, who you've taught me to be, lessons, fun memories that we have together. And through the holidays, you know, there's only one wish that I've had, and it's, you know, to be home. So to not be here is really difficult. And I hope somebody there can give you a big squeeze for me, and I will see you next week.
It's okay. So, are you surprised?
Yes, I am.
And I don't think that there's anything that could make this more special. I mean, don't leave, because I mean, it's not like, I think the only thing that could make it more special is if she were actually here. Right? Would you like to see if she's actually here?